Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit About Us page in WordPress. So firstly, you have to go to a browser and search for WordPress.com, then simply log into your account. This is the home page you're going to see. Over here, pay attention to the left hand side. Over here, we are looking for the pages option. As you can see over here, click on the pages option. It shows us all of our pages, and here is our About Us page. Now simply, if you want to edit the About Us page, which contains every information about your page and about your site, just simply click on edit. It will open a editor's page for you, and now you can simply edit all information from here. After you are done changing the information, make sure to click save and save all of your changes. And that is how you can edit About Us page in WordPress. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.